Well, it's certainly been a miserable few days. We've had 40-mile-an-hour winds, constant downpours, and because of that, once again, as potato plants have took brunt to that, and it's just about finished them off. So I think I might as well just empty them, see if we've got any potatoes at all in there. This plant is definitely not going to grow anymore. Hopefully we've got a bit of something, but we planted these a bit later than the ones we've already emptied, so there might not be much or anything to harvest. But as I always say, something is better than nothing. Let's take a look. I'll just do what I did last time and just empty them into here. There doesn't look to be a deal or anything in these. That's the original plant that we transferred, so it's hardly grown any more roots since then. So unfortunately, I think a few salad potatoes is all we're going to get from this. And that's his original seed potato. I think that's about it. So a bit disappointing, really. But as I said, they were planted quite late, and unfortunately they've not had a chance to really grow because of weather we've been getting. But that's still a meal. And this is the other one. They're just not going to grow anymore, so we might as well just get it over with. There's one that's a little bit bigger. And there's a couple there as well. Considering the size of that root ball, that's still not bad. That might be it for this one as well. As you can see, there's nothing below that root ball. It's just not had enough time to grow before that plant's given up. This is his last one. Hopefully the results from this are a bit better. It has grown quite a bit more than the others, but again, it is starting to die back now. So let's empty this one and Surfer's last potato plant of 2024 can give us a little bit of something. There's already one there, so that's a start. That has got a little bit of green on it, and that's because it's been exposed to the sun at some point. But you can still peel that and eat that potato as long as you make sure there's no green left on it. So that's what we got in total from that second container. Let's tip this one out and hope for the best. Well, that is a good start. Let's get rid of that root ball. Because we're constantly getting rain, if you don't empty your potatoes, they are going to start and rot. So it's another good reason for me to do it now. Got some very small ones in there as well. Little one there. That one started to go soft, so that is no good at all. which is what I don't want to happen to Walkrest. But we've got some good sized ones. Not as many as we got from his previous harvests. I'm still keeping these little ones. They're really nice boiled. Another good sized one there. I'll put them all down with those two that we took out originally. That one, again, has gone soft. I think that might be about it. Another one that's gone soft. It's just full of water. So there we go, that's the end of that. But we did get a better result from that container. And at this time of year, I'm happy to get anything. So that is a total from those 3 containers. So we'll just chuck them in all together. We'll take them indoors, give them a quick wash, and that's the end of us potato plants for this year. But still not a bad result. When you consider it's been a pretty poor year weather-wise, anything that we get is better than nothing. And for the beginning of October, to empty 3 small containers and still get a couple of meals out on it, I think is a good result. So we'll take those in and they'll keep us going for a couple of weeks. If you're interested in seeing what else we do over the next few weeks, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Take care.